Greetings and salutations. As the series on creating a bar chart continues, let's look at creating a bar chart using the icons on the Insert ribbon. So let's get started working through the procedure. One, select the cells for the chart. In our example, let's select the cells A1 to D5. 2. On the ribbon, locate the Insert tab. 3. Click the Insert tab. The next step may seem a bit curious, but let's use the Column Chart button on the ribbon. The reason for locating the Column Chart button is that Microsoft placed the bar chart on the same menu as the column charts. 4. On the Insert ribbon, locate the Column Chart button. 5. On the Insert menu, click the Column Chart button. Observe that the menu is divided up into 4 sections: 2D column charts, 3D column charts, 2D bar charts, and 3D bar charts. The clustered bar chart is in the 2D bar section. 6. Click the clustered bar chart. The chart appears on the worksheet. If the chart is blocking your view of the dataset, point your mouse somewhere in the upper right-hand corner of the chart. Next, drag the mouse to where you want the chart to appear. For this video, let's move the chart so that the upper left-hand corner of the chart is near the upper left-hand corner of cell C10. Once the chart is in place, release the mouse button. 7. Click somewhere on the worksheet. Clicking the worksheet deselects the chart. For this video, let's click cell B14. There are a few things to observe about the chart. 1. The chart contains multiple categories: Michigan, Ohio, Indiana, and Illinois. The chart also contains multiple data series: high-end desktops, mid-level desktops, and low-end desktops. 2. The category labels on the category axis are the labels in the rows in the dataset. Excel chooses these labels for the category axis because the number of rows of data selected were greater than the number of columns of data selected. 3. Observe that the categories appear in reverse order than they appear on the worksheet, because Excel places the first category in the worksheet in the lowest position on the category axis. For example, Michigan appears in row 2 on the worksheet above the other category names on the worksheet. However, Excel places it below the other categories on the category axis. 4. The chart's data series gets its labels from the cell range B1 to D1. Excel chooses these cells for the data series label because fewer columns of data were selected than rows of data. In our example, cell B1 contains the low-end desktops label. 5. The length of each of the bars on the chart corresponds to the value in the corresponding cell. For example, the low-end data series for the Illinois category, the blue bar, is getting its data from cell B5. This method is the most straightforward method of creating a bar chart. The process is fairly obvious to the user, although the placement of the bar chart under the column button on the Insert menu does make it a little less obvious than, say, the column chart. The process is also the most efficient process examined so far. The next video explores how to use the copy and paste method to create a chart. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to put them in the comment section below. Until the next video, best wishes.